Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is lecture number 77 of mathematics. Yesterday we were doing the question number 9 and we did 3 parts of it, but due to time compulsion we couldn't be able to complete the D part, so we are doing it today. Let's get started. The figure is given to you here. We have to find what we have to find first, this H angle, and for that we have to make a plan. Ladies and gentlemen, if we are saying that this angle is equal to this angle, then we are not wrong, because we can write that AF E is equal to CGE. And that is equal to 68. Why? Because of the corresponding angles of a triangle. So we found now this one to be 68 degree. So further we can find the value of H degree is equal to H degree plus 68 degree is equal to 180 degree, and that is angle sum on straight line. So we are going to solve it. H degree is equal to 180 degree minus 68 degree, which is equal to 112 degree. So ladies and gentlemen, we found the value of this H. Next is the turn of I, and I is this angle, and we have to find this angle. And if we are giving a very close look to it, then if we found this angle, then by corresponding theorem we can find it automatically. Now I am writing IJF is equal to HIG. No, first of all we have to do what? IJF is equal to 65 degree, vertically opposite angles. So now we can say that HIG is equal to IJF, which is equal to 65 degree. So we can say that I degree is equal to 65 degree due to corresponding angles again. So in this way we found. Now next is the term of this F degree, and that is also easy because we found this to be 65 degree, and we can also find this angle by the vertically opposite angle. So I am directly writing that HGD is equal to 68 degree by the theorem vertically opposite angle. angles. Now we found this value to be 68. So we can find by writing f degree plus 68 degree plus 65 degree is equal to 180 degree, and we can write that f is equal to 180 degree minus 68 degree minus 65 degree, and that is equal to what? That is equal to 47 degree. That is equal to 47 degree. Now that was the whole story about the D part, and with that we came to the end of question number 9. Now question number 10 is pure theoretical question, and there is no figure given. They just given us theoretically that if the sizes of the angles of a triangles are x minus 35 degree, and the second one is given as x minus 25 degree, and the third one is given as 1 over 2 x 1 over 2 x minus 10 whole degree. So we will write from our own side 180 degree, and that is because the angle sum of a triangle. So let me refer it to angle sum of triangle. Angle sum of triangle. Let us first open this x degree minus 35 degree plus x degree minus 25 degree plus 1 over 2 x degree minus, that is minus 10 degree, minus 10 degree, and that is equal to 180 degree. First of all, this one, and this one, that will be equal to 2x plus 1 over 2x degree, and minus 35 and minus 25 is minus 60, and then minus 10 is minus 70 degree, and that is equal to 180 degree. Now ladies and gentlemen, if we are taking the LCM of this is a 2, so it will be 4x plus x degree, and that will be minus 70 degree, and that is equal to, so that will be 5 divided by 2 x degree is equal to 250 degree. So now if we are calculating this, so we can write x degree is equal to 250 degree multiplied by 2 all divided by 5. So it will be 500 divided by 5, which will be equal to this is 500 divided by 5, so it will be equal to 100 degree. So now we found the value of x degree to be 100 degree. Now we are turning our focus to question number 11, and in question number 11 you don't have to first consider that red dash dash part, because I made it already for you people. So first we have to concentrate on the triangle ABC. The question actually is saying in triangle ABC, BAC angle is equal to 50, which is this one, BAC. And they are saying BCA is equal to 26 degree, which is this BCA. Now we have to find, and that is super class easy, that we will find ABC. So we are writing ABC degree plus 26 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree, and that is angle sum of triangle. And you can write ABC as well if you want to be precisely right. So now it is the turn to find A, B, C angle, not degree here. That is an angle. So ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 26 degree minus 50 degree, and finally we will get ABC to be 104 degree, and that is the whole story about the first part. Now the second part is saying that if AB is produced to D, now you can consider that red dash line that we produced AB line till the D part. Find CBD, which is this one. So I am writing CBD is equal to 26 degree plus 50 degree. I am writing it due to the exterior angle of triangle. Exterior angle of triangle. So when we calculate this CBD, that is equal to 76 degree, and that is the ultimate answer of this. Now we have to concentrate only on the figure, nothing else. In the question number 12, they given us this figure in which one angle, this one is 61 degree and the second one is 41 degree, and this angle is also given as 50 degree. Now these are the information, and we have to remain in the context of this information. First we have to find ACB, which is this angle. Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot directly find this angle because this angle is not given, so we cannot find that from the angle sum of a triangle. Now we have to find this angle first, this one, and then through vertically opposite angle we can find the required angle. So let us start this, that 61 degree plus 41 degree plus DCE. DCE is equal to 180 degree, and that is angle sum of a triangle CDF. Triangle CDF. Now we can find DCE is equal to 180 degree minus 61 degree minus 41 degree, and then DCE is equal to what? We have to subtract first 61 from 180 and then 41, so we get 78 degree. Now ABC, which is our ultimate goal, ACB is equal to 78 degree by vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. In the second part, they are saying that find ABC. So we have to find the ABC, which is this angle. Now it is very easy. We can write ABC plus 50 degree plus we found right now 78 degree, and that is equal to 180 degree, and I am writing angle sum of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Now ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 78 degree minus 58 degree, and when we calculate it will be 52 degree. So that's it for question number 12. Now we are turning to question number 13, in which this figure is given to you, and that is they are saying that there are two pairs of parallel lines. One is ED and ABC. These two lines are parallel, and these two lines BE and CD are also parallel line. They given us three of the angles. One angle is this 47, 32 and 106. So we have to keep this in mind, and first they want us to find DFE, which is this angle. We have to find DFE. Ladies and gentlemen, because these two lines are parallel, and that is the traversal line, so this angle must be equal to this angle due to the alternate angle theorem. So let me write it, that C या B CED is equal to BCD angle. BCD angles, and that is equal to 47 degree due to alternate angles theorem of a triangle. Now one thing I must mention here, that you can solve this question through the parallelogram, which is a quadrilateral, but because we are only dealing with the triangles, so you have to solve it in the context of triangle. Parallelogram is our next topic. We haven't yet touched that in this course so far, so wait for that. But if this type of question is coming in the CIE exam, and they are not mentioning that solve this question on this particular method, then you can use the law of parallelogram as well as the laws concerned with the triangles. So here we are doing it with the triangle. Now we found this angle to be 47, and that is from here. So now we can find this EFD, DFE, DFE plus 47 plus 32 degree is equal to 180 degree, and that is angle sum of triangle. So now we are writing DFE to be 180 degree minus 47 degree minus 32 degree, and when we calculate it we will get 42 degree. So the answer of DFE is 42. Now in the second part they want us to find the value of B, D and C, which is this one. We have to find this angle B, D, C. Now ladies and gentlemen, we have to make a plan for this as well. Can we write BDC? BDC is equal to EBD, and if your answer is yes, then how? I am writing this as 32 degree, and then I am writing that due to the alternate angles, now BDC, which is this one, and we are saying EBD, which is equal to this angle, and both are equal to what? They are equal to 32 degree. And now we can write that 106 is equal to 106 plus, let us see, EBD plus 32 degree is equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angles on STR line, on a straight line. So now we can find EBD is equal to 180 degree minus 106 degree minus 32 degree, and EBD is equal to, when we calculate it, it will be equal to 42 degree. So in this way we can find this as the 42 degree. Now there are advanced level of questions. We are also doing it so that if you want to be a master of this topic, you must be able to solve these questions as well. So let's do it. This is amazing because no angle is given in this figure. I made these two figure which is not given in the book for your understanding to differentiate between circumscribe and inscribe. So inscribe is given in the question, but circumscribe is also there. So let us differentiate first. But let us first understand the question, that what the question is actually saying. Ladies and gentlemen, the figure shows triangle ABC inscribed in a circle. Now, when a triangle is inside a circle, all the vertices of that triangle are touching the points on the circle. So that is called inscribed triangle. Here in the second case, a circle is inside the triangle, or you can say that triangle is touching the outside points of a circle. That is called circumscribe. So one is inscribe and one is circumscribe. In the question, A, B, C is in inscribe. They are saying like this. With center O, you can see that there is a center O. If CBO is twice of CAO, keep this in mind, and BAO is once, 1.5. Let us see that first they are telling us that if CBO, which is this angle, and they are saying that if it is twice of this angle CAO, and it looks like that this is double of this one, the left side angle is a smaller one. And second piece of information is given to us that BAO, this angle is 1.5 time, that is 1/2 time of CB of the BAO. So this angle and these ABO and BAO are 1.5 time BAO is. So the question is saying that find what they are telling us, that find CAO, which is this angle CAO. Ladies and gentlemen, information are there, but no specific angle is given. This is quite interesting. So let us solve this question by supposing that let CBO is equal to x degree. Then according to, because they not given us any angle, so we will suppose one angle as x degree, and then whatever the available information are there, we have to keep that in mind and solve the question. If it is this situation, then we can say that CAO O is equal to 1 over 2x degree, because they told us that CBO is twice of CAO. So it means if that is twice, then this one will be half. So we write NBAO, NBAO, BAO, and that is equal to 1 whole 1 over 2 of x. These information are there, and taking in view those information, we can write this is also given since AO is equal to OC. O, this one will be equal to this one, because both are the radii of the circle, so that will be equal. That is why we are saying that if these two sides are equal, then we can conclude that ACO will be equal to CAO, and both are equal to 1 whole 1 over 2 x degree. Now what is ACO, which is this angle, and what is OA, ACO, that is that angle, and CAO, which is this angle, and that is our main purpose, and that is equal to 1 whole 1 over 2. Amazing how? Because if you can see that CAO is equal to 1 whole, so because this is equal to this, and we can write instead of that CAO 1 whole 1 over 2x. So like this. Another information they given to us is, since OB is equal to OC line, therefore CBO is equal to BCO, and that is equal to x degree. How? First of all, OB is equal to OC. Now this line is equal to this line, because both are the radii of a circle. So if they are equal to each other, then CBO, which is this, will be equal to this one. How? Because that is an isosceles triangle, and the base angles of isosceles triangle is equal to what? That is equal to both are equal. So how we wrote this one? Because there is CBO, and here we supposed that CBO is equal to x degree, so that is why we wrote x degree as well. Now another information which can be seen, OA is equal to OB line, OA and OB, this line is equal to this line. So with this we can say that OAB, BAO, BAO is equal to ABO, and both are equal to 1 whole 1 over 2 x degree. These are the information. So let us now come to the actual scenario, and that is CAB plus ABC plus BCA. These are the angle is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum of a triangle. Angles sum of triangle. So this is the situation. First of all, we are taking CAB, which is totally this angle, and ABC, which is totally this angle, and BCA, which is totally this angle. And this is a triangle you can see, which is inscribed. So now we have to put the values of CAB. 1 over 2 x degree plus 1 whole 1 over 2 x degree for CAB, because there are two parts, one is this and one is this one. Similarly for ABC also there are two parts, one is 1 whole 1 over 2 x degree plus x degree, and the third one is 1 over 2 x degree plus x degree, and that is equal to 180 degree. Now, without wasting your time, if we solve this, then we will get 6x degree is equal to 180 degree, and x degree is equal to 30 degree. So we suppose that CBO is x degree, and we found the value of x degree here. Now this is your job, try on it, because it will waste our time. It is not that much difficult to bring. Take the LCM of this separately, and then you have to add the above and below. That is easy, you can do that. I'm 100% sure that you can do it. I don't have to waste my time. I am focusing on the next question. If you see, there is a figure given to us but no angle is given, and still we have to find an angle. Without any angle specification I have to find. Let's concentrate on the question. In the figure, each side of triangle ABC is produced. There is this triangle, and this is produced on this side, produced on this side, and produced on this side as well. That is what the question is saying right now. If AB is equal to AC, and I mentioned that it here, AB is equal to AC. Another information, BD is equal to BD is equal to BE. So this is BD and this is the BE. from here to here. So we have to keep that in mind. Another information is AF is equal to D. AF is equal to DF. AF is this one which I specified in red equal symbol, and DF is this angle which I also specified in red. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the information and they want us to find ABC. They want us to find ABC angle. So now let us try to solve this question. It is given and I am writing as AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, then what can we conclude? Then we say that let ABC is equal to ACB. ACB is equal to x degree. That is what we have to suppose. And if we found the value of if we want to find the value of ABC, then we must have to find the value of x degree. So that is why we supposed it. Now DBE is equal to 180 degree minus x degree, and that is due to the adjacent angles on a straight line. So this theorem is used here, that DBE, which is this angle, must be equal to, because a straight line is 180 degree, this one, that is 180 degree, and we have to subtract that this x from where this x came. So we supposed ABC here to be x degree. So keep this in mind. You have to go systematically. Now, since BD, this is also a very important piece of information. So since BD is equal to BE, they told us that BD, this one, is equal to BE to this one. So if this is the situation, then can we write BDE? BDE is equal to BED, and that will be equal to 180 degree minus 180 minus x degree whole divided by 2. Why? Because these are the base angle of an isosceles triangle. I am writing base angles of isosceles triangle. According to that, if two angles, this angle and this angles are equal, so if you want to find the value of one angle, then you have to divide it by 2. You have to divide it by 2, and that is what exactly I did. Now this will be cancelled, and this minus will become plus with this. So it will be equal to x degree divided by 2. Now let's move. Since AF is equal to DF, AF is equal to DF. AF, those red line, those two red is equal to sign are equal, it is given in the question. Then what can we conclude? We can conclude that FAD is equal to FDA. FAD, which is this angle, must be equal to FDA, and these are also the base angle of an isosceles triangle AFD. So now we can write that as FAD is equal to FDA is equal to BDE, that is equal to BDE, which is this one, and we found the value of that to be x divided by 2. So we can directly write x degree divided by 2. Now it is the final fight, and that is x degree divided by 2, x degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree, and that is angle sum of triangle, and the triangle is ABC. ABC. So now if we are calculating these, so that will give us 2 whole 1 over 2 x degree, and it will be equal to 180 degree. So x degree will be equal to, when we divide both sides on 5 divided by 2, so we will get 72 degree, and that is the ultimate answer. Now if you are being able to do these sort of question, you are well on your way to get a star, but it needs lots of efforts, so you have to do much effort to achieve this, and a slight miscalculation on your behalf that these sort of questions are not coming in the CIA exam. This is your miscalculation, and that is gonna cost you very hard, bloody hard. So do these questions, and if you are having any problem, tell me in the comment section. I will help you. Thank you very much for your time. Allah Hafiz.